Hello, this is Gio. Hey, look what I have here. I have the ends of two power cords. One is to an extension cord, the yellow, and the other one is to a tool. Now, typically you would just say, okay, well, let's just plug them in. So you just plug them in and call it good. But what if you're doing some work and somebody trips or you pull on your tool too hard? Well, pow! They could get unplugged pretty easily. Well, I'll show you a simple trick to help prevent that. Okay, and so here it is. All you have to do is take the two cords like this, wrap them once. Oops, let's try it again. Wrap it once like that. And then just maybe one more time like that. And then all you have to do is plug them together, just like that. And now when you kind of tug on it, right? I can't even pull this. It's very difficult. The odds that you can trip or pull it accidentally and have this unplug is much reduced now. And so safety is increased and efficiency is increased because you don't have to keep on plugging back in your tool. And there you go, that's my tip for the day. Well, I hope you enjoyed this video, and if you did, please hit that like button at the bottom of the screen, and even consider subscribing to my channel. I have many more videos to come. Bye-bye.